hit me with whatever you're about to tell me, Duck. I need to know. I want more lore. I want more Duck lore. God, my desk is a mess. Dude, that is sick! Holy crap, you were moving up! You disappeared for like a month and you're coming back swinging. Loving to see that, man. Loving to see that. Doing a little bit of pre-stream cleanup on my desk too so we can get everything good and ready. You get a pencil because it's a very important thing to have. Yeah, you should be super proud of yourself, Duck. It's called Free Play Florida. Lakeland is in November. Oh, snap. Oh, so wait. Oh, so wait, are you coming to our side of the Great North Americas? That's sick. Finally moving the Psycho Mask and the broken heatsink off my desk right now. Alright boys, it's almost done. I went to Target today, early on. Because Walgreens still hasn't clutched up with the ADHD prescription junk, and I love being able to function as a normal human being for more than 20 minutes at a time. So, when I got some goodies, hoping that works out. See, that's my favorite part about talking to you guys. One of my favorite parts about talking to you guys too. Y'all are so gall darn talented with what you do that it definitely pushes me to just like constantly lock in to make sure I don't fall behind. These guys, both of y'all do huge, crazy, awesome stuff. It's really inspiring. Can we not randomly just throw cords around? Because this is a bad habit. I don't know if you guys do the same thing. It might just be me. Today I'm gonna do a little big cleanup session because I was like, you know what? I want to make my room actually livable. If this is also gonna act as my home office. I'm sorry, how? Wait, dude, that's sick. Wait, hold on, you gotta get to the lore of that. Next Friday or the next Friday? Let's say next week Friday, because I feel like if we're, let's see, the 23rd or 30th. Do you want to hit it on the 30th? I feel like that's just like a good day. That just makes sense in my brain. You can be like, hey, here's the big end of month send off for the summer. All right, perfect. Let's set up for the 30th. I'm gonna give you. I think I'm gonna change the role to be like Blender, like the Blender god or something like that. So you can actually like have your own special permissions to modify certain things on the server. Because what we need to do on top of like making sure that the course and everyone is locked in for that, Blender Guru was taken. I know I was trying to get around with that, but I was like, that makes sense in my brain. But it's like, oh yeah, it makes sense in my brain because I stole it. But what was I gonna say? I was gonna say we need to make sure that you have like all the exact amount of permissions you need to make sure that you can run the course as smooth as possible. Because I don't know. Do you have default access to the like the stage presence or whatever on the Discord? Because I was thinking that'd be like the main way for you to present your stuff. Because that way we like have a honestly better version of a Zoom call to make sure that you have what you need. If I want to know exactly how much of my life Blender and Google AdSense gets confused by my searches and it's been showing me good prices on kitchen blender for 2 years now. Jesus. Is that what it's like having a place of living? You get to have appliances mix up your search results? Oh man, my neighbor's smoking that good again. I don't want that smell in my house. Not during work hours, boys. We're locking in. I'm almost done cleaning up my desk, guys. I almost have a space of a sane person, which means the lie is getting better. It just seems you're like, I mean, have you seen a Vitamix, dude? Those are insane. Real talk, one of the things I'm like, you know, I'm like 23 on the outside, but I'm like 90 on the inside, is appliances get me like actually hyped up. Where like I see something that's like really cool, like we got a washing machine recently and a new oven. One, because our old oven actually kind of exploded. And I'm not even joking about that. One day the filament just went boom in the oven. Scared the crap out of everyone. But we got a new one that's sick, and it also doubles as an air fryer, which is an air fryer by default. It's just a giant convection oven, but it's just like, oh snap, check this out. This is like, now I can make like I can mass produce tater tots, dude. That's huge. Dino nuggies on the regular in ungodly proportions. And if that isn't the American dream, then by God, I don't know what is. All right, fellas, we're almost done. The second I finish doing a little bit of twatting over here. I don't know what that accent was. You ready to go? Probably gonna be doing like a slightly longer stream again today. I want to get a lot of work done, and I want to maybe hit some like PSX style modeling, which I forgot I can't use the course that I was using before. To just like do a quick refresh because, I can't show that on stream because that's just stealing. Okay, I think this is actually pretty decent. I have my stack of books on my desk. I have this new copy of Uno No Mercy I grabbed, which has a draw 10 wild card in there. So man, if I want to destroy any friendships, I now have the Hasbro equivalent of a nuclear bomb to do so. So we are hyped. You gotta sell your air fryer, you use it like 3 times and you don't like it? What do you mean you don't like an air fryer? By owning one, you're already vastly superior to everybody else on Earth. You're only second to me because I have a giant air fryer, also known as my oven. All right, boys, we got the fan. We got everything set up. I got my buns in the chair. Don't get to say that very often, but I feel like that's something I say a lot. Exactly, Duck, you get it. Clearly, you don't understand the air fryer. All right, let me just make sure the YouTube stream is up because for some reason Twitch is stupid. Or YouTube is stupid. One of these multi-billion-dollar platforms is stupid. All right, perfect, 10-minute mark. And boom, face cam, and it doesn't work because I didn't activate it yet. Ooh, ViewBot, let's go, dude. That's how you know we're getting popular. Let's see. I still haven't figured out how to moderate my own Twitch chats, dude, it's so cool. All right, check it out. Boom. Boom. Oh, yeah, Duck, check it out. Sorry about the boxes, boys. I'm unorganized. Boop. All right, cool. I just love doing that. All right, what's going on, everybody? My name is Zach. This is I Don't Know Entertainment, and happy Tuesday. I hope you're having a fantastic Tuesday morning, afternoon, evening, night, or Wednesday, depending on whatever time zone you're in. Welcome to today's stream. We already got the boys. Yes, this is actually the Ozbot Tiny 2. Little webcam that actually packs a big punch. If I was sponsored, dude, do you know how much money I make companies? Jesus. But yeah, we got Alta, we got Duck in the chat already. You already know it's gonna be a good stream. But today, boys, we are gonna be doing some magic. First things first, we are actually going to do a little bit of Godot housekeeping that I enjoy doing quite a bit. And what that is basically just going over to, boop. Oh yeah, I was also designing my website. I don't like how this looks right now. I'm trying out WordPress, and I was also gonna try out this other one called Cargo, because I really like the design it comes up with. But I was just messing around with junk. So we might do that later today. But today we are going to go to, oh yeah, also, check out, boys. Lewis, what's good? We got a keyboard. I broke the other one, but this one is really, really good. This is a Corsair K65 Plus wireless with linear red switches. This actually is a phenomenal keyboard. Boys, do we have any keyboard obsessed in the chat right now? Do we have any keyboard obsessed in the chat? Hold on. Let me see if I can get it open. I'm gonna hit you with Notepad real quick. Is this what is this? Is it a readme for something? Oh, is this a readme for what I was doing when I was trying to install Linux? It might be. What is this? Oh, this is when I was trying to make a server. You have cherry switches? Ooh, how are those working out for you? Yeah, oh yeah, this is when I was trying to give myself like 1,000,000,000 lunar coins in Unreal. Not Unreal. In Cherry and Mexus. Okay, what are these? These are, here, I got the box right here. These are Corsair MLX Red. This is my first linear keyboard. I usually went with tactile. The loud against metal background. Foam mod, definitely. But here, boys, check this out. Ready? Ready for the keyboard ASMR? Ready? Spacebar. Fellas, is it wrong to be attracted to a keyboard? Don't answer that question. So, today we're gonna start off with doing a little bit of fun. We're gonna head over to Twitter. We're going to quickly look up Borderlands 4 is trending. Wait, did it get announced? Holy crap, dude. Wait. We got Borderlands 4 before we got GTA 6. That's not even a joke, dude. Wait, how did this happen? How did we get 2 Borderlands games to drop before GTA 6 to drop? That's insane. Like, actually, hold on. Can we talk about, like, the insanity of that? I'm starting to, I hate the meme, but I both love it at the same time. Dude, we got a Castle Crashers DLC, a confirmed new Behemoth game, a Castle Crashers update. Zach spreads misinformation on Twitter. It's right here. This is the Borderlands official account. We're getting an Epic Mickey remake. Hold up, look, it's right here. How dare you say it's spreading misinformation? That is literally whatever the Pandora Moon is called. Don't forget, we're getting Lewis's game before GTA 6, dude. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. The multiverse! Okay, we'll check this out later. Yeah, I'll wishlist it. Let's see what the Steam page looks like. Didn't they just make a movie with Kevin Hart? We don't talk. So anyway, we're gonna go to Twitter here. We're gonna look up Kenny. Because what's good, Vacuum? Do a game dev bingo. You got it. Yeah, I actually clip that, Duck. We'll post it on the Twitter. Do I not follow Sockpop already? I love Sockpop. So Kenny drop. Ooh, wait. These are so clean. Hold on. So I know that Kenny just dropped some new Godot splash screens, and I've been wanting to implement them into the. Yeah, here it is. 70 Godot splash screens. So the one I had, yeah, was 30. So now Kenny dropped 70. We're gonna get one. I was using the Pride one before because it was I really liked it. So we're gonna try out. Let's see what we got here now. Where is it? Okay, I found it. Okay, cool. Kenny's the game dev go. Yes, I will do a game dev bingo. And how dare you use my full biblical name? It's crazy. My actual name is. That was a little censorship right there. But yeah, I have 2 nicknames. Technically, my full name is actually a nickname. Yerp. Put in my downloads folder. Yes, replace the same files in the destination, essentially breaking, I think, 2 of my projects now. Where did it just go, dude? Dude, what the actual freaking heck? Download splash screen, man. Okay. Where is it? Name? Oh. Sorry guys, my typing is going to be very, very weird today because I have been... Okay, we found it. Ooh, video. I like videos. Godot animation intro 4K. Wait, can you set... Wait, can I make this... Wait, is this a thing I can do? Can I just like actually put this in? Wait, dude, hold on. That's actually so sick. Sorry, I'm talking like the Forspoken person right now. I'm sorry about that. That's not my intention. In fact, that's so far off of who I am as a person. You already got the clip, person. Zachariah Timothy Jones, you watch your mouth. But yeah, I'll do a game dev bingo right now. If this is gonna kind of return like the ADHD bingo, that is not great. Let's see, was a game? Oh god. I'm kind of relearning how to type because I never really officially fully learned Homero. So I'm just kind of relearning how to do it. So let's see this. Copy image, and then let's open up Paint. This is a great start to the game dev day, boys. Thank you, Duck. You're a legend for that. All right, let's do this. Another game dev bingo, boys. Okay, it's a reskin, but completely different. Yep. I don't like where this is going already. We're gonna use the big old red crayon here. Extra thick, a little too thick. Yep. Getting feedback that should have been caught in max stage. Yep, nothing like the game. Yep, mandatory meeting ends up being useless. Game dies before it's playable. God. Doing something on design's complaint doc. I guess maybe files too large. I don't really have that because I don't use Unreal. Godot for life. 2 hours waiting for Q&A feedback. No. You see a mistake after building and uploading to the server? Yeah. PNG edges cut off? Yeah. Free? Yeah. Assets missing? Yeah. Baked in text, but also geos. No. Mock misses important scenario? Yeah. Urgent, but doesn't go live for a week. Photoshopping to fix stuff? No. Saying at 3 times here before getting a response. Getting horrible problematic ads during a rotation party. Missing geometry? Yeah. Have that. Addressed by the wrong name. Landscape mock is missing. Dude, I'm actually surprisingly okay. We're doing good. I think that's the bingo we want to lose. So we're good. We're good, boys. We're solid. We're chilling. Okay, so we're gonna try out Godot here. You can get a boot splash. So it can be. Okay, the supported format is PNG using another format resulting in error. Okay, cool. If you want to display the default splash image in the editor, you can override the editor hint feature. So I can go here. Nah. All right. So we're gonna go over to the Kenny thing. This is very important to game dev, guys. This is very important. We're setting up the engine splash screen to flex with the Godot users. I'm talking to like 3 of you here right now. Let's see. So we got some pixel logos out here. I like these. We might go pixel. We might go retro today. We got some Pride logos. Let's see if there's any new one. Pride Dark. So this is the one we're using before. This is a nice one. I'm not gonna lie, Rainbow goes pretty hard. So we got reimagined logo, which is kind of dope. I messed with that. I messed with it heavily. I like that. That one's like, that's all right. Ooh, wait, I kind of like that, dude, right? Y'all feeling this one? Vertical dark. Your logo here. I don't have. I do have one actually. Text logo. Dude, come on. I don't want to read. We're making video games. Cog logo. I don't want to put so much emphasis on that. Pink gradient, white, dark, cog blue. Might run this. Actually, this goes kind of hard. And then original Godot logo with contrast on it. We got the pink gradient. We got the splatter. No, when we make a boomer shooter, we'll run that. But I think for now, let's go with the. I'm feeling the cog logo today. Yeah, there we go. All right. We're gonna put this Godot splash screens main, and we are going to move this into the projects folder. Yeah, I love lo-fi. There we go. Screen cog logo. This isn't PNG. I just want to support it. There we go. Ka-chunk. Didn't work. That's a little embarrassing. You guys didn't see that though, right? Haha. Oh, it's got to be in the project itself. Okay. File system. Boop. Let's put an add-ons here, and we'll just put this splash. Oh, I forgot how to type. Splash screens. There we go. We got little splash screens in our thing here. Actually, let me not put this in the add-on setting, because I feel like this would actually probably break something at one point. We'll put it here, and we'll make the path color gray, and then we will just drag in the Godot cog like that. Then we will go over to our project settings here, and we'll go over to image, then we'll go over to splash screens, and we'll add this guy here, close it, then we'll save it, then we'll reload the project. Yay! Okay. 3 dots on the top, options, view, apply to folder. Did I comment out a folder? When did I just do that? Oh, you commented out a folder path? Oh. Dang. Well, I appreciate that. Unfortunately for you, I was locked in. I wasn't reading, dude. Don't look at my floor. Don't look at that. You weren't supposed to see that. That's not the real me. Hold up. I know, boys. I am cleaning my room today. It is genuinely a mess. All right, enough nonsense. We're getting to the dev scene. So, now we've done the unimportant things. What we want to do is I think we're gonna start off today with showing a little recap of what we were working on. The current pullback, the real Wizard of Oz thing on the. All right, listen, man. The allegations are not true. I am not a small man inside of a mech of a really handsome dude. All right, I'm a real boy. All right, so anyway, I think today we're gonna start off with a little bit of a recap of what we did last time, a little bit of some typing exercises just to get the old fingies warmed up, a review of what we're working on, and then at the tail end of it, and I was about to unplug my phone charger, but I'm kind of scared to do that. Cough, cough, Elon Musk. Dude, don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that, dude. No, John Lucas, don't bribe me. Let's see. Here we go. I got the Pomodoro timer up on my phone right here. So, yeah, we're gonna do a little review. We're gonna do some just some typing practice because I'm still getting used to the layout of this keyboard compared to my old one, just to feel it off. We're gonna go look at the task list to see what we have, and depending on where we're at with that, maybe we'll end today's stream with like a little bit of light gaming. There's a really cool Godot game I actually saw with a really dope YouTuber that I'd like to show off. And I think that'd be pretty fun. Also, boys, if you don't already have it, this is I think I showed this off last time. I did. This is a really good game dev book. This game feel. You know what's really cool because I put 2 different color sticky notes in there, so I'm like really smart. I haven't really gotten into too much of it, but it's a pretty huge recommendation. So if you're looking for a game dev book, check that out, and we're gonna go over a really cool tool. That's all today. So either way, a little refresh of what we did last week. Or yesterday actually, because it's today Tuesday? I streamed yesterday, dude. That is how far gone my brain is right now. Little bit of a music pause because what we did last time is we created we fixed a system where we had the text object right here just kind of overlap itself by just deleting and respawning it. We created basically our own Pomodoro timer here where you can pick a task for what you want to do. You can set how much time you want it to be. So let's say we want to work for a 25-minute work session, have a 5-minute break, and we want to work for let's say 3 sessions in total. And we can say we want to do some chores. We can press start. Gives us a little start right here. It's Tuesday, my dudes. Why is there someone blowing leaves outside? Because I live in a community where that happens. So let me go close my window actually. You guys can enjoy the beautiful tracks from Pokey and Chill from Game Chops. Hold up. There we go. The leaf blowing is now done. Focus on me. But it's summer, yes, but there's also a lot of mulch and leaves, and there's a tree that smells really bad that's pollinating the entire universe right now. So, we have this. You can switch it to different areas. You can select always on top. Right now, you can resize it, but you're not supposed to be able to, really. But yeah, that's what we have. So, that's pretty cool. So, our summer went missing a week ago. Finger popping, what's good? Dude, I love cold weather. I can't do anything above 60 degrees Fahrenheit. How's it hanging? We're doing pretty good out here. We're chilling out here. How's it going with you? Oh yeah, but so today we're probably just gonna do a little bit more work because after we finish this kind of portion of this stage of the game, we're gonna do some cleanup. Are you doing all right? I'm glad to hear that, man. But yeah. Oh yeah, we also created a stat system for our character that has 3 timers on it. That, what's it called? Talk to the stat component to basically talk about drain for different items. Also, Lewis, this is what I was talking about last week because I just realized we didn't hop on call about this, but check it out here. If I go back over to, let's see, the 3D scene, no, we don't look at the pop-up label, I don't care about that. Check out, if we go over to the dude scene here, we look at the stack component, which is right here. You can see that each of these guys are connected via this signal, and I just did that simply by going to node, the signal manager, and I double clicked on the timeout, and I just connected it to this script, because if you double click our signal here, you can choose a script you wanted to connect it to like this, and you can click pick, and you can pick a method to connect the signal to. So we already got that set up. You move my bed to the closed room of the flat. I wonder if I'll survive the winter. Dude, that sounds like my heaven. For some reason, my room amplifies all heat possible. And like, I actually know this for, like, I've gone to every different room in my house, as, you know, I should, to just check things out. And, yeah, no, dude, this is what I was talking about. Use this. Like, honestly, Godot's one of those things, or here's a big game dev thing. Don't solve problems that don't exist. If it seems like it's an inefficient solution or inefficient solution, balance it out between, hey, it's an inefficient solution, but it's going to get me closer to finishing my project. That's why we have the power of the internet where we can update things later on. But yeah, so yeah, that's basically that part. If I open up my Notion board here and I'll close this right here, you can see that we are actively working on collapsing the Pomodoro timer, which is kind of a minimal thing, but it's just something I want to get out of the way now. It's basically going to give us more screen real estate as we work with the game. Make a note later if you have hardware load issues. If you never do, then hey, it wasn't too inefficient. True that. Also, another pro tip, get a cheap Chromebook, remove Chrome OS, turn it to Linux, and just run your game on that. See if it works, see if you can run it on Linux. Shout out to my Godot users with native support. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna collapse the Pomodoro timer today, and we're gonna work on the personality setup for just setting up, like, literally, we're doing a bunch of setup for a cooking mechanic, and we need personalities to work. Yeah. Did I do the bingo? Yes. Yet? Yes, I did. You were eating. I was, what's going on? We got a bunch of sporadic placements, but we did not get a bingo, which is good. It means we're a good dev. Okay, let's see. On top of the script, you have signal XY, then later you have something like xy.emit value, and when I need to connect, you do signaling.connect function. See, that's what you use a signal bus for, because it honestly just makes it so you can have a good chunk of your kind of global signals all over the place, and you can just have it as an auto load, and you can just have it talk to it specifically. You can have connections in and out. You have 6 people of various strength and build rigs that test for me. Gotta make sure you can run on other things. Nice. Though I think in your version you can't pass on values. No, you can. Well, with this in-game one, you can't pass values if you don't have one to pass. Like right here, this timeout is a built-in Godot function, so it's not going to have anything to pass by default. But if I go over to my signal component here, or my stack component here, and I just define a signal at the top where I'm just like oh my god, dude, my brain is constantly switching between send like money. My brain is switching between like how I used to type and let's see, where money, let's type int, or I think I just defined money, isn't it, like that? Yeah, see, like this, you can still send information. Can you use autoload since the signals are local? If you have 3 enemies, then they all use autoload buzz, it will trigger themselves. See, the way I got around that was I just had like an ID where, like, on top of just sending the signal itself, you also sent a reference of like what sent the signal. So you're like, hey, this thing just sent the signal. All right, cool, I just received the signal. Did I just receive a signal for myself? All right, cool, I ignore it. Is this, whoever just sent this not, is it not me? Cool, I can take this as information. But yeah. That's the way I usually do it. So anyway, that's what we have so far. So we're gonna work on that, and then we're probably gonna do what was the last thing I said? A little bit of gaming. Hey, safe, what's good? But yeah, we did the bingo vec. I can show you. I don't think I saved the results actually. But yeah, we did not win, which is good. I think we like it kind of looked like a little bit like this. I'm gonna do a little speed run real quick to show you how it is. It's like, hold on. We're like a little bit like this, and like a little bit. Oh, hold on, it was a lot thicker. I'm gonna do like that. It was a little bit like this, and a little bit like this. Free. We put like a little. There you go. Look at that. Ooh. And we did like that, and we did not win. That is safe. Called the police, dude. Jesus Christ. All right, cool. That's enough of that. We're gonna do a little bit of typing practice to get warmed up for the day, and then we are going to just go back onto the. No, don't. Seriously, Safe. I will actually block you if you send me a picture of that. Jesus Christ, do not send me a picture of that. All PC studios are loaded with 7900X CPUs and 30. Jesus Christ, they're not testing for realistic. You could probably do a VM, right? I don't know if it would really work for. I didn't say if that wasn't actually not a joke. If you send me that, I will block you. Found a deal on parts when I was doing a big rebuild. Dude, honestly, you're just giving me more reason to, wait, hold on, I just realized, guys, I can give you a little desk view, because this has a thing. Check it out, boom, desk mode. Whoa, eyes up, camera. There we go. I'm gonna show you guys my typing as I like type. It's kind of freaking out. All right, cool. Check it out. So now you guys can see while I'm typing how I look. So we've done this on stream before, I think. This is KeyBR, which is a free web thing. God, see, this is why I need to practice typing. Which is a free web app, and basically what it does is it tracks like how you type and figures out like what you need to work on the most and adjust the tests as you go along. So I struggle a lot with the keys. I use my pinky because shout out to my guitar players here, we don't use our pinkies very often. So this is basically a way to just kind of get my brain in gear with using my keyboard. Because again, yeah, I've not done home row, and or at least I haven't done home row enough to really actually develop like decent keyboard practices. And if you look at like how my hands are going right now, it's probably not great. Yeah, see, look at that. I see it right there. That should have been my index finger pressing the M, but right there, right there. All right. Hands default to WASD True Gamer. Did they actually? What typing test is this? Try it out. It's called KeyBR. KeyBR.com. I can I don't want to say .com like that. You know, a good chunk of my family's from the East Coast. I have not been to the East Coast enough to actually justify talking like that sometimes. I was just gonna put this in help chat. So I haven't figured out how to diversify things. But it's also got typing tests, and you can customize it a little bit. Not as much as you can customize monkey type, which kind of sucks. But honestly, like whenever like I can't sleep, and I feel like this is nerdy as hell, turn on like some like lo-fi, or like I have a podcast going on, and I just do this until my brain kind of shuts down. You're right, Duck. I was locked in. Yeah, I'm just like, yeah, I'm not feeling great about how this is going right now. Oddly enough, this is actually like, my typing speed has increased since I started doing this. Because when I used to type, it was, I kind of peaked at like, in the high 80s, around the 90 WPM. But I can never really get beyond that. And like, it's kind of like when I was, when you guys see me playing bass, like, a lot of times it's like just what's most comfortable for me, which is good, because like, you know, John Mayer actually said something really apt about that. You're playing an instrument, you know, you're not like working an instrument, I guess. So it's just like, there's definitely ways to do something, and there's like definitely ways that are comfortable for you, like people. But right now I'm just like kind of establishing the way to really type well, and then I can what's it called? Go back to being comfortable, but just like comfortable with efficiency. Plus, ever since I like got the keyboard hyperfixation, this has kind of been like a good meditation for me. All right, I think that's a good start. Used to be faster than 95% with 100. Jesus, dude, that's awesome. Stop talking about that. That's so nasty, dude. Last, we're gonna do a couple more, and then we're gonna head it back over to what's it called? We're gonna do the game dev today. Today might be a little bit of a slog. I always say like one more, and then I always do more. This shouldn't be as fun as I am. Dude, what does this say about my brain? What does it say, boys? Give me your WebMD psychological breakdown of me. What's happening here? Okay, there we go. Oh wait, come on, it's a 3-letter word to start off. How can I not do it? He never got that done that day. Zach just typed for 6 hours, making the longest stream he's ever done, but at the same time, the least productive. Alright, cool. Hey, nice. Let's check the stats. I set it up so it gives me a little thing where it's like, hey, you do 30 minutes a day. So like we got a gradient of wait, actually this is insane improvement. This is like all time for this course, so this is actually like really good linear improvement, dude. Never mind, I lied to myself. Max grass movements? No. But here, this is like decent. Typing accuracy is continuously going down though. Hey, but we've gotten to 90% of all typing speeds, which is pretty dope. All right, cool. All right, sweet. Now that we got that done, let's start working on what we need to do today. 73.99.22%. Okay. Oh, are you guys all doing the typing thing? That's awesome. Okay, so let's work on this. We need a collapsible Pomodoro timer, and the way we're doing that is we move the Pomodoro timer to a collapsible. And I'm sorry, I'm talking fast again. Move the Pomodoro timer to a collapsible pop-up to save screen space. Add smooth transition for opening and closing the timer menu. So it's a little fun challenge for myself there. Oh, I'm still in desk view. I just realized that. Oh, look at big head. Whoa, camera. Okay, so let's rock it. I don't know why I said that. That's super corny. The first thing we have to do is just figure out what can do what. So if we go over to 2D, we go back into main here, we can see all our controls. So this is the section that we're trying to condense. We have these session and timer labels here, which I should have grouped up together. Oh yeah, see right here, these. First off, this is a very easy one. Let's put these into we need to put these into a VBox. There we go, look at that. And we're gonna put these session labels and timer labels into the VBox container. And we're gonna take our VBox container, increase its thingy, and then we're going to anchor that to the, what's this a child of? It should be a child of, yeah. What the hell? Okay, center. That's, oh, it's a child of the timer section. That's why. Okay, you should be, this should be that. There we go. There we go. Okay, now we're good. And let's control G these, and then we're gonna move it down. There we go. Awesome. All right, cool. Sounds cool in the right context. Thanks, Doc. I appreciate that. All right. So save it. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna put these in something to make these appear or disappear. So there's a couple ways we can do this. One, we could actually just use Godot's built-in thing, which is pop-up. Or there's a couple things. So we have a window here and we have a pop-up for like pop-up menus and a pop-up panel. So a window, base class roll dialog, pop-up. I feel like a pop-up panel is what we want, but this is a completely different thing compared to the, what's it called? This is on a completely different layer compared to the canvas layer, which is where I'm like, maybe not, because that means we're just kind of expanding outside what we actually have, which is what we don't really want. We definitely need to use some kind of container. Sub-viewport container, not it. Split container, not it. No, not a flow container. Come on. Oh, and let's set the timer. What's my favorite sports? I really like baseball. I used to play baseball when I was a kid. That's the only one I could really get into, or like that made the most sense to me. I've really been a big sports guy. Fish flow container. We don't want that. Boxing chair. Maybe we do want. Maybe we need to expand my horizons, dude. Because we could do a menu bar. But we don't want that. We need something collapsible. Alright, we're gonna try this out. Accept that log pop up. So let's check out the pop-up panel and just see what this actually looks like. If I was to move this guy around here, showed up like that. Not you. I can't click on it. That's weird thing number one. Is this no, this isn't a child or anything either. I didn't manage, I don't care about that right now. Menu mode, maximize full screen. Oh, okay, so this really is just like a full-blown extra window. Okay, so we actually really don't like that. So we need to take this right here, this timer section, and we need to make it a. I don't think. This is so stupid, but. I wonder. So like, clip contents, what's this gonna do? Trash child won't be visible outside this child. Hold on, let's try this stuff here. It enables the rendering of the canvas items based children. Should be clipped into his controls rectangle. Did I tell about the grandma that fell from the store? No, but I'm ready for this. I'm ready for this joke, and yes, you can say what you did so I can practice safe. Let's. I was hoping there was some way to just straight up mask this. Alright, here's a weird way to do this, fellas. We're gonna get another panel. Surely some kind of mask now. Yeah, okay, we're gonna get a panel. We are going to make it about the same size as our panel here. I promise this is gonna make sense. We're gonna call this panel the clip panel. We are going to take the timer selection thing here. Clip panel. Timer selections as a child of clip panel. Okay. Gonna set. We're gonna modulate clip panels to nothing, and just to test it out to see if it works, I'm gonna make this cripplingly purple. All right. And for the theme overrides, just gonna quickly make a new style box flat. There we go. So this actually was a thing, and we just had like straight up, let's say just straight red, like that, right? It looked like that. But then if I was to modulate this right here to be clear, it would do that. Okay, so then what we're gonna do for this clip panel here, and we're gonna make this timer section, we're gonna anchor it to the center. Okay, we got our clip panel. We're going to go here, gonna go layout here and clip contents. So if true, parts of the child which would be visible outside this control rectangle will not be rendered and will not receive input. So we're gonna go to clip contents like that. And then what I'm gonna try to do is, if I was just to like do this. Holy crap, that actually worked. That's so stupid. Wait, hold on, if I turned it off. Oh my God, all right, cool, we did it, boys. Do I even have to do this actually? Hold up. Can I like move this outside? Maybe I didn't even have to do all this. So we can turn this clip panel off. And we go to the timer selection here and we got clip contents. Yeah, cool. I didn't even need that. All right, neat. So what we can do now is What was that? I just heard a little ding. What just happened? Yeah, you can say it. You don't have a joke? Oh. I see. I feel like I've walked into some morally complex thing here. I apologize. Okay, so we got the timer section here. So what I can do is I can actually... Do I want to add a script to this, though? That's a real question. To be like, just this, like, HUD controls? Ooh, thank you for doing that. Scripts. Open. Boop. In course from canvas layer. And we're gonna put class. I miss knowing how to type. HUD controls. Okay, let's try that out. And then let's start off by getting a reference to our timer section here. Oh yeah, neat. All right, cool. So we're gonna get a reference to the timer section, and then what we're gonna do is we're also going to create. Let's take our timer section. Let's move it down a little bit, and actually, hold on, going back, Control A, add up another panel to our guy here. Make sure it's under HUD controls, and this panel's gonna act as that. Can make it be the center, give it the theme overrides. Let's give it a style sheet here. Style block, fuck, that's in my... Oh, that's what the timer was for. Whoops. There we go. I was like, what is that timer? It's the timer to prevent me from overworking myself. The classic, going back to the face cam. Full body warm, hard as you could. Hey, good job, Sif. I'll wait for you, bro. Alright, gonna do a little more typing exercises while we do a little in between for, Alright, boys, we are popping off right now. Do you realize you made a huge music thing for the share any new thing share with this community? Share it, my dude. Oh yeah, I forgot. While I'm doing this, I could just switch over to gameplay while I'm typing. You guys can get a little lo-fi type. Maybe you could set like a macro on my stream thing so it just shows my desk view whenever I do this. Starting off rough with that. John Luca, you're wild. Oh, did I just do it? You passed by just to donate. Have fun with your friends, bro. Appreciate you. Cyberpunk's. Ooh, okay, hold on, let's see. Thank you for the $13.37 tip. I fully developed and worked a new tabletop RPG system that runs monthly campaigning for nearly 2 years. Dude, that's sick. You made an outro for it when you streamed? Yo, wait, that's huge. Yeah, drop that. That's awesome, man. Oh, wait, okay, the break's still gone. Yo, a balanced human being would, go get a glass of water right now. Leaving a little snack to help them think better instead of continuing to press on and ignore their body's basic needs. So this is why I'm making a dude, man. It is because it's for the people, you know. They can't take care of themselves, so they gotta take care of a little dude. And if that little dude kind of reflects what they gotta take care of, dude, then dude, that means it's something. I realized that while I'm typing and I talked, I just say the words, or I incorporate the words that I am like actively using in my conversation. Got the Itadori focus in right now. Slag jawed, locked in, dude. Only thing that's missing is my posture just fully degrading as I do this. Alright. Tune me check if you want to react live to that'd be sick. We're literally no pressure. Of course we're live reacting it. Nah, what the, hey! Don't hate on my typing speed. I'm relearning. Vac, what are you doing? I thought we were chill. I thought we were chill, dude. Oh, so you had like your Forrest Gump running moment safe. That's pretty sick. Alright, that's our timer. Back to work. Why are you so mean to me, Vac? What was that, dude? I'm being vulnerable here, dude. Showing you my typing practice. I thought it was a little nice thing to share, and you're just like, oh, it's bad. Well, you know what, man? You're a meanie. Yeah. What do you think about that? Yeah, I'm sorry. Let's see, session label. Let's make this timer. Did I say tuner? I did. It's over. You're in my head now, man. Timer container. Jesus. All right, cool. Timer section. Timer container. The timer section inside timer container. Making a render on top. Then in timer section, let's just add in a label and we can do this and have it kind of be center top anchor. We're gonna say Pomodoro setup. There we go. And let's see. Why are the corners rounded down there, dude? I did not round these corners for that. So I'll set the label to be center and center. And let's do some theme overrides for colors. Let's get a font outline color. It's the line spacing. Let's get outline size to be about that. There we go. Fonts, don't want, I could import my font that I've actually made myself. 100 word per minute, no warm up. You've invested, old man. Listen, man, I can take the insult. You could say my typing speed is trash, man. You could say I get no maidens. You could say my height does not change when I stand on my money. But you hit me with the unk statement, and by God, you've made a permanent enemy out of me. Do you understand that? Let's see. Font color. Ooh, pastel red? Yes. I think like we could just straight up light for that. Nice. And yeah, no, let's make the actual timer container style box. We're gonna set it to that pastel red we just created. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah, dude. And for the timer section, let's just make it. Don't do that, man. And man. Oh wait. Yeah, sweet. Oh, cool. Nice. And we can actually set up some margins for it too. You used to hit like 120 back in the day when you're consistently writing, but it's been a bit. No, back we're enemies now. We're gonna like fight like in the middle of a storm. It's over, dude. You're cooked. We're gonna be like, oh man, the time has finally come, and I'll be like, yerp. It's gonna be a sick fight. I'll say yerp specifically too. You won't even know what's happening, dude. It's gonna be like lightsabers and stuff. You got your lightsaber though, right? I know we're in a kyber crystal shortage, right? I need to stop. Let's see. Let's put that right there. And we need to set the timer container to have the same behavior where it clips contents depending on its size. So if we do that, perfect, dude. Error. I'm an adult. Let's see. Okay, cool. So let's just quickly keep track. First off, let's control G that so we can't mess with anything inside there. Let's look at the transform. I think this is size, cool. Can mess with that a little bit, but it's just gonna auto clip, which we don't quite want to mess with right now. Let's see. Say he's just joking around. It's chill. Government wants to take away my assault sabers, which aren't even real things. So you bought 20, now you're stockpiling kyber crystals. See, dude, this is the problem, man. Everyone's trying to go for lightsaber regulations, but it's the lightsaber maniacs, man, that aren't that are painting them in the bad life, man. It is my right to own a lightsaber, dude. I don't torture my kyber crystals. In fact, that is. Oh, I just realized I don't have stream avatars active, do I? Oh yeah, it's not in the game scene. It's in the dev scene. All right, cool. Just making sure that was in there. Body horse for the final move. What are you talking about? I'm too young for this, man. My kybers are pure. There we go. The sentence says we have a lightsaber problem, but I say we have a Sith problem. Yeah, dude, 100%, dude. The Sith are actually the ones painting us some bad name. Listen, man. I think I should be able to have my own lightsaber. Like, I don't perform Trikada. I'm just saying it. You perform Trikada, man. You shouldn't have a lightsaber. That's irresponsible. I'm glad we could talk about this. Let's see. We're in the size here. Let's just get this to a nice even number. We're all for even numbers here, right, boys? Let's see. Time control. So what we want to do is we want to just copy value and put the. I know thing I like about Godot. I can take notes here in the editor descriptions. We put like a default size. 269. 269. I don't know numbers yet. Shrunk size. And that would be. Perfect. That's super easy to do. Doesn't look quite centered. Let's turn off the. I mean, this it literally doesn't matter. This is where I'm saying like I'm solving prompts that don't exist yet. I like 32 better. This is 272 by 30. Perfect. All right, cool. So we got our defaults right now. So what we need to do with our HUD controls is we need to get a, well, actually, before we even do that, we need to get to node and we need to get mouse entered on the timer container and pop that onto HUD controls. There we go. And we also need to get an export here, export var timer controls. That's a float. Oh, what? Extrovert timer controls. Timer max. Height. Float. And by default it's equal to 269. And then we want another export var. We're gonna get timer min height. That's a float. And that's equal to 32. Cool. And then we want export var timer timer growth speed. No, it could be contained by the tween. Okay, let's see. If a Sith wants to do with my something, only lightsaber will force lightning on you. Banning sabers is nothing. nah, I'm all here. Just Sith racism. Yeah, no, Vacuum, you've earned my respect. We're no longer enemies. I think we're actually chilling at this point. All right, so on mouse enter, what we want to do is we want to create a var. We want to call it growth tween. Tween is the type tween. Is it a tweener or is it a tween? I forgot what it is. It's equal to get tree dot create tween. Oh, what does create tween do? Wait, I know what I need to figure out what I did for this. It should be under, I think camera pivot contains the move for that. Yeah, it does. Oh no, it doesn't. Radical. Did I put this in main? Is this something else that doesn't make sense to be in here? Move level focus. Create tween is equal to, oh, it's just a tween, not a tweener. That's what it is. There we go. So what we want to do is we want to say, forgot how to use a tween. Hold on. Tween property modulate by the time. Okay, cool. So what we want to do is we want to call growth tween dot tween property, and what we have to do is we have to get our object, which is the not timer section anymore. Actually, this needs to be the timer container, and it just needs to be something of another uniquely accessed thing. Boop. Actually, no, it doesn't need to be uniquely accessed. Well, it makes it run faster if it is. So boop. Tween property, so what we want to do is we want to get the timer section, and then the property we want to tween is the size. I see. And let's see, final value should be, and this is for on entered, so this is growth. So what it needs to be is a vector 2 of 272 by 269 at a rate of timer growth speed. There we go. Nice. Live music on next reactor break, 100% yes. I will also, I just need to get a glass of water first because I can feel the dehydration bobbing in. And on mouse exited, what we want to do is go back to HUD controls. Basically do the exact same thing here, except what we want is we want to change it to our good value of, oh wait, I just realized. We need to set this to be timer max height, and we need this to be set to timer min height. There we go. Okay, now if we go to our 2D scene, it should be solid, and if we enter, boys, we did it. It works. I don't want to talk like that. Let's go through your timer growth speed. 100. Oh. Oh. Huh. Okay, so that's something to fix. I don't know why it just immediately stops it. We're getting somewhere. Wait, you're expecting now? Wait, what does it mean? Nah, I just respect the boldness to say such things on stream. This should print closing. And where's this one coming from? It's coming from the stack component, which we know works. I can actually just comment out these because that's all that really matters. There you go. Okay, it's immediately send. Oh yeah, I forgot to change the default. Go set it to like 0.5. I should probably set that to like export range. Oh. Oh, interesting. Okay. So that's the on mouse enter, or on the on mouse exit. So it is working. It just this. Let's see. I think it's a timer section. That's the issue here. I think for the inputs. I don't care about the process. The input. Mouse button. Filter. Stop. I think pass is what we want. Oh. Cool. Pass or retrieve input and mouse events. Click for it in the controller. See mouse button. Is this controller? See. Okay, I think this is what we want. Okay, it's not applying that to its children as well. Okay, so basically what we have to do is for, God, everything? Is there a way, can we just make this, like, be the default? Force pass scroll, yeah. It'd be super rad if we could just have this inherited instead of like this. Okay, let's see if we can just straight up select all these. So let's see, a little bit of that, little bit of this. So let's keep that as that. Wait, where's this label come from? Oh yeah, okay. Input, mouse, filter, pass. Oh, cool. Alright, hopefully this fixes it. Because now they all are set to pass by default. And going over, yep. Perfect. Sweet, and we can also now change the timing a little bit so it's a little faster. That's instantaneous. What was it before? 0.5? Oh, Jesus, I did 0.01. Let's do 0.1 then. Let's do maybe point. This is so much fun. Love it. Love it. Alright, cool. Yeah! Alright, cool. Should have like a little bit of grace period too for like if you leave it. Oh, look at that. Alright, cool. So that's definitely something to worry about too. For now, we're gonna technically count that as correct. Let's see. I'm gonna say this is the Pomodoro labor. We just need to make it so certain things count certain things. But for now, not bad. Let's back this up. Let's see. Pomodoro timer collapses. Saves on screen space. See, dude, I keep just talking about Godot, man, but like the fact that that was super easy to set up and I just had to literally click one thing to get this clipping contents working, and then all I had to do was just do a simple tween to get this going. That's why I love Godot so much. It's like I can figure stuff out without too much like heartache, which is super great. All right, I'm gonna pause the timer. Going to stop the camera tracking. I don't know why I keep doing that. Like I don't just have the control panel right here. Zone tracking off. On. So if I do like normal tracking, it's gonna turn it on. If I toggle it off, it's gonna go back normal. All right, cool. So I'll be back in a second, guys. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, get some. Then we're gonna come back and finish this whole thing. So I think yeah, moves that. That's done. This is done. And now we can move that to the, there you go. Move that to here. Neat. All right, cool. BRB, y'all. I'm gonna hit the bathroom. My headset got stuck in my chair wheels a little. Wow, that's bad. Holy crap. There we go. That was scary. All right, now I'll go to the bathroom. BRB. turn, fellas. Okay, we got about 6 minutes left on the work timer before we switch over to the break. So right now, the next thing to do is working on the personality component setup. Sounds dystopian as heck when I say that. So what do we have to do for that? It looks like it's pretty straightforward. We create an enumerator that defines each personality, learn Godot's class system to see if that would work best for containing the base stats of each personality, and then having a component communicate with that stat component to figure out how stats would drain based on the selected class. Okay, so that's quite a bit. I feel like this should probably occur before this, because I realize I know next to nothing about Godot's class system. And depending on what it is, maybe we just want to go with the component system and I just have a component for each personality type. Gamescom trailers were kind of disappointing, might as well go to sleep now. Okay, my bad, Lewis, I know I was entertaining for enough for you, but get some good sleep, my dude. Good luck not breaking my game, thank you, likewise. But we got Borderlands 4, Lewis, that's hype. That's so hype. Okay, yeah, let's work on this. So, first things first, let's go to the Godot docs. Or we can go to the Godot engine website, best engine in the world. Let's learn about the classes, boys. We're learning about classes. Let's see. I guess maybe this is a better way to go, defining classes. Oh. Godot. gdscript.com classes. Okay, cool. Class combine data functions in the Godot API. Okay. Class name motorcycle extends no TD. That's what we have here. I'll just go into programming. Okay. How to use classes in Godot 4. DevWorm tutorial. It goes pretty hard usually. So.
Hello. Classes and class names in Godot are so powerful. I mean, really, when using classes, we can make our community. We have a back play with.
Skipping around to read code, review players, equal player.new, something like that, take damage.
Right? Players. We can remove them. We have a class.
Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Let's go over to the player because now we're actually gonna mess around with the dude character specifically. Look at this. I really like this environment we've created here. It's got a nice little sheen to it. Okay, so first things first, what I need to figure out is what a personality component would look like and how we would extend that. So let's add a brand new node to our guy here. We're gonna call this one, boop, personality component. Oh, I have to rebind all of my Blender hotkeys because I don't have a numpad anymore. Completely forgot about that. And I wondered, hey, wow, look at that. So Godot used to not do this, where it would use the this undercase naming convention unless you had like a what's it called, a separate scene. So it's pretty cool that they actually do this by default now. Neat. All right, so let's create a class called personality components. Yeah. Oh, class name Dodoy. Gotta do that first. Components. And what this is going to do is implement the kind of basically we're just gonna do component-based system. That's just easy and kind of fun to do. Making a bunch of stuff. Scratches the kleptomaniac part of my brain. So if we go over to our design sheets here and we check out the dude design sheet we worked on yesterday. Oh wow, I didn't realize that the font was different between. Don't get distracted by that. I gotta change that in a bit, or change that later, whatever. So if we look over here, our design sheet that we had right here, personalities were broken down into the basic stereotypes: the nerd, the jock, the bookish, gothic, the grunge kind of skater, and the class clown / comedian. So we're gonna choose one of these names based off of the high school movies and 90s stereotypes. If you haven't seen Napoleon Dynamite, if you haven't seen Breakfast Club, if you haven't watched a bajillion parts of stuff from the 80s and 90s, do yourself a favor and do so. Players can pick one of these types when creating their dude. Decides what mini games and overall behavior of the pet, or I should say, of the dude. There we go. Learns what the dude prefers when cooking clothes occurs. Okay, so I think just straight up based on what this is going to be, we need to decide kind of decide right now if we're going to make like a God script or just like a singular personality component that contains everything that we're possibly going to need for this. Which I think I'm just going to go with the former, because with that, it just allows us to have like one big old chunky thing versus like me, and if like the code can be refactored into multiple different personality components, we'll do so. But for now, I don't care. I forgot how to define an export in num, dude. Oh yeah, you say export in num, then you define the parts in it, and then you put the var, then you just do that. So, to make my life easy, let's go over to the personality component, close the other tabs. We're gonna say export in num, and we're going to start by filling it with this junk. I need to learn, I desperately need to learn hotkeys for Windows, because I feel like it should have been much easier for me to actually just create multiple windows. Or I know what it is, I just don't know the hotkeys by default. I'm watching this YouTuber named Bog a lot, and he defines them pretty well. So what we're gonna do for this is we're gonna actually make these all string names. And what's a string name? It's a string literal. What's a string literal? It's basically a case-sensitive string that's easier to search for. So you already use these in a good chunk of the stuff, so we're just gonna use them again. God, I don't know the number keys off the top of my head. That's not great. Ampersand is 7. Nerd. The next one will be the jock. Next one will be the, what's it called? The goth. Next one will be the skater kind of dude. Oh, that's our timer. Pausing that so we can hit the break time. And I forgot my water. God. All right, I just went to the bathroom. And the last one will be the kind of comedian. It needs to be a string letter as well. Median, and by default we will make it, yeah, what's it called? We'll have another extra personality type called the normie. There we go. Sweet. And just quickly format this to be correct. Get the personalities like that. And basically what we're gonna do for the basis of this is just set up communication with the stack components we can control the join. And for this is going to be a var personality type. And it's gonna be of type string name. Boop. And by default it's going to equal the normie. Oh, I thought you could define types. My mistake. Export num requires a variable type int. Does it? Are you sure about that? Does it say like it does? Exporting number annotation requires a variable type int. But type string name was given. Oh, okay. So it can be anything except a string name by default. But by doing so, we have just string names, so they all are the things. We got the normie, the jock, the nerd. All right, cool. So we got all of these guys right here. Let me back this up real quick. Before we do this, we're gonna say work in progress, personality, component, added string names for each personality type. All right, sick. All right, Alta, I'm gonna get some water, and then we're gonna check out your music and start our break officially. So let's switch it to, yeah, whatever. Beer beep. We're gonna, when I come back, I'm gonna have a full glass of water. Gonna be a happy camper. We're gonna listen to some sick cyberpunk music. Let's do this. Pausing the stream music. Wow, I've only been streaming for an hour and a half. Jesus. Feels like longer. So, let's go over to the stream Discord and get things going. Oh, there's two things. All right. So we're going to check out Evander's music first, and then we're going to check out Mikey's music, because I don't think I've checked this out yet. Okay. Okay, let me hear this. Let me get in the mood for this. Let me hit the... There we go. Ooh. Ooh, the vocals too? Okay. Dude, wait, this is sick. Evander, do you make music professionally? Or else, do you make music professionally, dude? Like, I don't remember if we talked if this was like professional or like another hobby for you, but this is good, dude. Like, that main progression is like really, there's something about it that like I'm really messing with. That is sick. I'm gonna learn that on bass. Okay. This is gonna make me buy a synth up so I can cover this properly. What's zero? You're adding more language. You're extracting this from further. I have no idea what that is. That sounds sick. Did you do the vocals? Yeah, okay. Save some time for the rest of us, my dude. You're kind of skating a thin line here, right? You're taking over my channel just a little bit. Just a little bit. Doing a little too good. Doing a little too good too, man. First you're too good for an air fryer, then you drop heat like this. Come on. Who do you think you are? That's phenomenal. What's it worth? There we go. Alright, now I want to hear Mikey's blum blum bada blum 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 ba MP3. Okay. Okay, not gonna lie. Lyrics in the title also fire. Why are you guys so talented? What the hell, man? This is awesome. Okay. Especially by the audience, usually on the cliffhanger, I switch to the outro. Sick. Okay, so this gave me huge The Blob vibes, which is a huge part of my childhood. This gave me goosebumps. Like, I could see this being an intro for, like, a HBO show or something like that. That is sick, dude. Yeah, no, this is you. You should be really... You're extremely talented. What the hell? Alright, cool. Back to my normal project. God. Alright, hold on. I technically even started the break timer. It's sad. Yeah, no, this is phenomenal. Jesus. Alright, I almost don't want to even turn the lo-fi back on because how crazy that was. Going back to the typing and lo-fi. After that, gotta calm down a little bit. Jesus. I can't even type well anymore, man. Like, I'm losing track of what's going on. That was so good, dude. Okay, I'm not even gonna try. God, okay. Let's just get this. Jesus Christ, that was really good. Let's just get this part done at least. Personality component. Current unit defines each personality. Cool. Having component community with static components have which use static germs based on the class. Okay, so this is where I would have wanted. Can you make structs inside of Godot? Is that a thing or nah? Because now personally, I just don't want to make a massive guide script for each, where it's just like, wait, here's the normie stats, here's the Let me stop complaining. Jesus. Let's make export category. We're gonna call this one personality stats. And we're gonna make an export group, and this will be called the normie stats. So what should the normie have? Let's just get the basics done, and let's take a look at the stack component, see what happens. It was sick though. The campaign is a murder mystery, and it went all in on the vibes. Was heck yeah, dude! And it's based off the Altitude Lawyer, right? The one you have an entire wiki and insane backstory for. Let's see. What's it doing? Yeah, let's check it out. So if it talks directly to the stack component, that means the ones we should be controlling are just the drains. So money drain, hunger drain, and dopamine drain. We're gonna keep. I think money drain is the only one that shouldn't be affected. The other ones, money drain rate should be affected by your personality, but the hunger drain rate and tick should be affected by it. So we're gonna just define the ones for the normie now. So we're gonna get we're gonna make an export var normie. Let's see, normie money drain, right? This can be of type. Is this to an integer? Probably. Cool. All right. Yeah, let's do that. So we got normie money drain rate, and then we'll leave the tick as is. That's not really what we want to control. We're gonna get another export var. Get a normie. Yeah, no, I know what I'm gonna do now. So what we need to do is we need to, because I'm about to make a lot of repeated code and I don't want to do that. Okay, I think I figured out what I'm gonna do now. Personality component, you no longer contain the script, because what we want is we want the personality component to have something different on it. Let's do this. All right. New thing, boys. Control X. Persona component save you extend. Oh, actually, this Control X. Save persona component. Perfect. We're gonna keep that actually. What I'm gonna do. I liked how this is at the bottom, but I do miss the ability to just like kind of control space it back up. We're gonna go over to scripts here, and we're going to create a new folder called resources, because now we're actually going to do a little bit of diversification in terms of how things are. We're gonna create a new script here. It's gonna inherit from resource. There we go. It's gonna be called personality type resource. Personality res resource. There we go. I'm gonna call this dude personality actually. .gd. Open that up. Extend resource. You can see to have it. Class name. That is dude personality. And inside that, we're gonna put that. So we have that. That's fine. I think we'll leave this as an enum for what it is. And instead of having that, we'll have the money drain rate like that, and do that, and do that, and go over to the stack component, and now we'll change it to be like, alright, cool, now we have money drain rate. Let's get one for, not max hunger, let's try, well, if we need to change this, we'll change those later, but for now, we'll just have one for hunger drain rate. Let's type float. Then we'll have one for hunger drain tick. And also be a type float. Then we'll have one for dopamine. We'll have another exporter there for dopamine train rate. So float. And we'll have another export there here. You threw current sequence in the Discord as well as 2 of the intro sequences. Hell yeah! All right, we'll check that out. Yeah, we're gonna generate dopamine train tick as a float. Okay, cool. So we want to keep all of these for the personality, and what those will do is they'll talk to the personality component contains everything they need to do. Then the stat component will just like actively hold kind of like what these stats do. This is more like, hey, this is what I am. This is who I need to talk to. The stat component's like, all right, cool. This is what you're currently at. This is what you're going to do afterwards. So maybe, I don't know if I want to like leave the timers on here. Let's see how I set this up. Have component communicate stat component to figure out what stats would drain based on the selected class. I think maybe if like, yeah, we'll keep them here. And we'll say like the personality component has these. And just updates the stat component. I don't know, like the way I'm setting this up right now, I have no idea what's gonna do what. Like I think what we're doing now is we're creating a default personality, and what we have is like something that can be like pieced in and out. So maybe we don't exactly need a personality component at the moment. Let's see, not sure. Or like later on when we need to do different things, like maybe the personality component will control like movement behaviors. Like if we look at our dude design sheet here, we can see like personality is for stuff that like, hey, the player doesn't like this thing, and it's like how it responds to that, and like how your dude responds to stress. I think that's what we do in the stack component. It's just like purely like, all right, this is gonna drain. Okay, that's what we need to do. I'm gonna go over to the personality component right here. Just add a little note here. Has logic for how dude will respond to stressors and certain activities. So that's good. We have the personality component. That'll just exist for now, but the dude personality itself, I think, is just good to have, because then we can just slot this into stuff right here. So we have a drain grace period. That's by default. Money stats. We could turn those off from an export, and we can just put them in here. We just basically did a glorified refactor. Max hunger. Leave that open for now. Money, we will also leave that open. But money drain rate, hunger, and stuff like that, we'll leave that as is. I think we max dopamine is fine, but we need dopamine drain rate, tick, money drain rate. All right, cool. So now what we need to do actually is we need to go over to the stack component, and we need to get an export here where it's like at export var dude personality, and it's of type dude personality. Put that there, and then we will have, let's see, an add export var called override personality stats sensing pool. By default it's equal to false. There we go. And the string grace period, put that there, and then all of this stuff is in that. So final, we're gonna put like export group. Put another export category here. Or can I? I'm wondering, can I just like slot these all into an export group here? Can I have a group within a group? Call it over. Let's see. No. Put all these into here. Yeah, what I was hoping I could do is I could like put these into like an export. Put these in the export category, get base stats. That's under that. Change this to like overrides or stat. Let's see, train overrides. Train overrides, and then here, instead of like here, we have like this group. Can I do like this and then this? Oh, whoops. It should be here. There we go. And that. Oh shoot. That plus this. Oh, I just realized I didn't do my work thing right. There we go. So what we need to do is this one, nope, this one, plus this, nope. this, I don't know this keyboard. This one, there we go. Plus this one, plus this one. Speed at export. Subgroup. There we go. So we got the drain overrides and we can put them in there. Sick. And now what I can do is I can actually just I can just, what's it called? I'll turn these into a, I'm reformatting the code so just it's a little less derpy create code region. Call this one drain overrides. There we go. Okay, so what we want to do now is we have these base stats. We're gonna say max hunger, max dopamine. A little defaults right there. We're gonna have to like use drain overrides. We're gonna say what this does. A little more reliable now. So what we have here, okay, got all that set up. So now we're do personality scripts. Let's create a brand new resource based off of dude. Oh yeah, there's a clues right here. Do personality. We're gonna call this one normie personality. Double click on that, automatically has that set up. So by default, it's gonna be a normie. So the money drain rate is 10. Wait, is this, did I set the drain rate to be, no, the drain tick is on its own. Set to 1, so money drain rate is 10 by default. All right, so we're gonna keep these stats on our do personality to be the exact same as what they are on the stack component itself by default. So we go over to our overrides. There we go. Let's see. Money drain rate is an integer, and we're gonna set that equal to 10. We're gonna set, let's see, hunger drain rate equal to 4.5. We're going to set the hunger drain tick equal to 1. We're gonna set the dopamine drain rate to 7 and the tick also equal to 1. Cool, so that means we go over to normal personality, that automatically sets itself up, and this will allow us to just really easily balance that out. So now if we're saying the normal personality, let's just say the money drain is that. Let's say hunger drain is like, say this guy's a hungry guy. Hunger drain rate is that, hunger drain tick, let's say it ticks every 3 seconds. I really need to count this out. And let's say he only drains like 5 every 1. So now what we need to do is go over to the stack component here. And for the personality component too, actually, I don't know, maybe we'll have it just like communicate with the stack component, or maybe we'll just be on the dude character by default, actually. Which would probably be the method. I don't know, really, but for now, actually I'm just gonna set that up right now, because that just makes more sense. Dude personality. Actually have decent code here. Dude character. There we go. And we can go to the stack components. And for all the junk that we have by default, because we're gonna have to do a little bit more setup, is we just need to make sure that this talks properly to everything. So if we go to our dude character here, and we just give it the normie personality like that. Go over to the stack component script here. I don't need the GD script ref anymore. I know what we do need to do is we need to get a reference to the player by default. So we're gonna have an onReady var player ref. this. Give me do character. It's called dude ref actually. And that is equal to get parent. And then what we have to do is set up some overrides. Okay. I know what I have to do next, but I can already feel my brain kind of slogging right now, which means if I keep coding, it's going to get worse. So we're going to switch to the game portion of stuff. Because I'm just kind of, let's see. Contains the dude personality stats. To do. Design code structure for how dude personality will carry over two different components. Because what I'm thinking is if I just set it up by default on the character and then the stack component, the character just assigns it to each component by default. Maybe so each component receives the assignment from this node. Alright, cool. Awesome. Let's call it therefore this. Do a little backup. We're gonna say work in progress. Personality setup. Added resource to contain stats for each dude personality. Need to figure out a way for the resource to work in the established systems. Cool. All right, nice. So before we swap, or since now we're finished with that, I think you said you threw something in the art chat, so we're gonna check that out real quick. Alta, and close Godot for today, or for now, as I should say. We're gonna check out the credit scene real quick. Oh, it's muted. Ow, ears. Ooh, like the steamer basket. Ooh, like that a lot too. Nice. Sick. Oh. Oh, you're trying another one too. Sweet. Okay, so this is the intro. Alright, cool. Gotcha. Nice. Alright, let's check this out later time because I want to show off the game too, and I also have to do something a bit. Seriously, good job though, man. All right, so real quick, a little bit of an intro. I'm gonna keep the music going while I say this stuff. Little intro to what we will be looking at right now. So there is a really cool YouTuber I just recently started watching. His name is Blargus, and he's making a kind of Hotline Miami Quake-inspired movement shooter, but you only have a sword game called Blood Thief, which is super sick. He uses Godot, and I think his devlogs are super educational to watch. This specifically, where's the one? He put the one I was watching was the difference between making game mechanics that don't suck. This is an insanely good video because basically he was talking about how he used this book right here. This is actually why I bought it because he's basically talking about how he used this book here and summarize some of the main points to making his game a lot more fun. And I think his breakdown of like what the intricacies of making a game more fun, replayable, or just more optimized were fantastic. Or honestly like really fantastic points to make. It's a 16-minute video. Highly recommend watching it. Bloggers is awesome. I'm gonna throw this dude a sub, but his game is actually available on Steam to play right now. If you requested access to the playtest, you immediately get access to it. You can play it. Super dope. But he also made allusions to what he used for his what's it called? For his levels. So first off, he uses the Trench Broom level editor. We checked this out before. But basically this is what is used to create Quake maps for Quake modding, which is super sick. What's really cool is if you watch how he uses this in his game, it's kind of insane how powerful this is to make just like retro levels, like Quake style levels, super easy for texturing, really easy for actually just importing in logic and culling into your game. Kind of wish I used this now. I didn't want to use a separate program, but now I'm seeing it. This is pretty sick. But you're probably thinking, Zach, this is for Quake-based engine games. Why would I use this? It's because the Godot community, being the absolute beast that it is, and I forgot what it was called specifically. I think it's called like Trench Godot or something like that. Trench Broom Loader for Godot. I think it's gonna show us. Why not Godot? Godot is great and works well. Wait, hold on. I don't know. Just the Trench Broom Loader is an alternative for Godot. He said this guy made this one specifically because he was having issues with Godot. But here, let me see. I think the Godot doc specifically recommended something. Let's see. What's it called? I already forgot what the mesh was called. It's called some. Let's just look up mesh. I should go what I was thinking of. Not. Nope. Quad mesh, no. Brain mesh, no. CSG. That's the thing I was trying to remember. So if you look at this, Godot actually recommends use Funkadot or Cyclops Love Builder. Funkadot is the one I was trying to figure out right here. This is the one I want to see. This is Godot recommended, 100% written in GD script, which is pretty cool. So we actually have our options here. We have Godot. We also have Funkadot, or Godot right here. We have Funkadot, which we're looking at here. And we also have Trench Godot, which is used. So anyway, we have these options. These are officially recommended by the Godot docs, so I was checking this out specifically. But basically, it would allow us to use the Quake map file format and using... Oh wait, it's a rewrite. We're reworking and rewrite the Godot plugin for 3 and 4. There we go, look at that. It's already an update for that. This is really cool way to make levels very quickly. The stuff I was struggling with, I think, might have been a little bit easier if I tried this out. So either way, he made this. It's a really cool game. I really like his videos, and we're going to be playing that today, probably for like the next 15 minutes or so. Because the boys got to get grocery shopping. Either way, we're playing Blood Thief, turning off the music, going over here, hiding stream avatars, and y'all enjoy the show. Switch to gameplay. There we go. Okay, there we go. Look at this. So, I was playing this tutorial earlier. I have very little experience with this game. But, you know, it's got the kind of boom like that. We can move, walk around. Got a little slashing animation. This is something he was talking about before, where he fixed some of the stuttering, where it was like it was doing like a shader caching. So we got that. It's got the kind of what's it called? It's got the kind of ultra kill mechanic of blood. This guy's pull up, you're just one shot kill. Shift. Oh, I didn't realize sliding controlled. What's it called? We consume blood. While running, oh, it's huge. So what you can do is this is really cool, and the mechanic he was talking about working on the most was this air dash that he made. So we got the blood on ground, sliding, look at the character, boom, air dash. It could do a bunch of stuff that's just like really dope. Like it's super snappy. The I don't know, this is just like a game that I thought was like really dope. And I wanted to show it off. Because every once in a while I'd like to show off like really cool Godot games. And this is one of them. The first one we showed off, I think, because I haven't played Brotato on the channel. Ooh. Let's just compare mechanic to here. Pop it. One of the first Godot game we showed off on the channel was Halls of Torment, which is in my opinion, oh boy, this is where I kept screwing up when I was trying this earlier. A way better version of Vampire Survivors. No hate towards Vampire Survivors, but Halls of Torment is so good. It's like styled like old school Diablo. And it's just got so much style to it. Look at that, boom, recovery for that. There's a ground slam ability to do. Look at that, sick. This is super glory. Wink. But he was explaining a lot. Oh, I forgot how to do the ground slam already. He was explaining a lot about how he was really focusing on the game feel for this game. Is this shift to do the ground slam? Space to do ground slam. Nice. Alright, can't read. Let's say hold space as your ground slam hits the ground to bounce. Oh, okay, wait, what's the ground slam key then? Is it control and I just don't remember? Oh, I gotta hold space while I do that. Alright, cool. Can do a little bounce on that. Okay. Okay, screw that up. Like I'm really. Oh wait, I had it. Crap. See, I'm not very good at this at all, but this is just like, this is the kind of game that's like right up my alley. It's definitely the kind of game I want to make. So I think I have to do the slam first. Then, yeah, because, oh, okay. So I do the slam first, then I hold it. Okay. Could probably do like a little double slam on that. There you go. What's supposed to do something? I think you can clamber up walls too. I'm just really bad at this. So holding space at the same time as doing a ground slam is what's freaking it out. Yeah, you gotta hit the ground slam first, then you space it. Or not? Maybe it's my keyboard that's the issue? Hold space as your ground slam hits the ground to bounce. Okay. Maybe it was like... There it is. Alright, cool. There we go. Parry. Ooh, double parry. That was sick. You're invulnerable, but air dashing. Sick. Oh my god. Nice. Discord to see what's going on here. What's up, nerds? Alright, cool. Woo. Hold shift while air dashing to land into slide to preserve momentum. Alright. Oh shoot. That's sick. Alright, cool. Hopefully this isn't death, it's just like next level. Checkpoint reached. Yay! Alright, cool. Woo! Ah! Oh, okay, so your blood is your HP. So I can take that hit. Okay, cool. I understand now. I'm out of blood. Whoa. Hey, Seraphic Crimson, welcome to the stream, and thank you for the follow. How are you doing? I'm doing pretty well. Sounds like I just responded to my own question, but I just can't speak properly. Oh my god, this is sick. Clamber. Oh wait, so you can. No. Hold up. This is gonna be huge. Oh, you're on a. Oh, cool. Okay, so I didn't realize before. There's kind of like a Mullet Mad Jack thing going on here, where. Oh god. There's kind of a Mullet Mad Jack thing going on here, where I actually need to. Crap. I need to constantly kill in the game. Don't know why I specified there. That should have been obvious, but. Because my blood amount is constantly dropping. See right there, probably could hit that with a slam. Yes! Breakable crates. Love it. Where we're from? I'm from California. Let's see. Slam! I don't know what to do. My trap? Is this a secret? Yeah! Doom secret! Wow, I'm far back. Yoink. Slide. Slam. I should have parried that. Woo. Immune losers. Whee. Like, dude, this is sick. I love this. All of them? Oh, achievements too. Neat. It is a nice place. Let's see, next level. I think I got the poo medal. Because I'm not good at this. Oh yeah, he showed off his method for doing the shader compilation, which apparently was fixed in Godot 4.2, luckily, or it's coming to 4.3, where basically he played out his own level, and then he ran the... Yeah, I'm still using this lava builder, holy crap, for the game I want to make after this. Oh wait, I want to see how terrain is handled. I'm still using this. Yeah, no, it is very hot. Luckily we're in Arizona. Ooh, soundtrack's crazy. Blood, give me blood. Yoink! Like, dude, this is sick. This game is super gross. Can I parry? Oh, can I parry swords? I have no idea if I can parry swords. Wink. I want to make a quake, like, so bad. Yeah, come on. Got the key. You're still up right now. Give me. No one yet. Hopefully he has more enemies to the game. Oh, I think. Yeah. Okay. Conserve momentum. Oh wow. Give me. I played this so wrong. Sick. All right, cool. Nice. I love the enemy respawns too. Oh, I think there's a secret actually. Bouncy your dash. Break. Oh, I thought it was gonna be break. We're going. Hold up. Oh no. I'm out of blood. No, my power up. Wow, how far back did I just get sent? That is actually brutal, dude. Gimme. Ah, this is so fun. Wait, what? This is oh wait, hold on, dude. This is sick. I love this. Open. Open. Wait, I already have this stuff. I don't have the bee anymore. Oh, sweet. Alright, so I already got all the keys. That is saved! Unlike me. How long have I been playing this game? I'm playing it for 13 minutes. Gotta go grocery shopping in a bit, so I thought it'd be fun to just show off a cool Godot game. It's called Blood Thief. It is by Blargus. Blargis. I don't know why it's so hard for me to spell. You can watch him on YouTube. Makes really great educational devlogs. And is one of those devlog YouTubers who actually describes like the kind of struggles he went through making the game, and like instead of saying like, yeah, I just added multiplayer, like it's a trivial task. Which I think is rad. One of my favorite games like this, honestly. I really like Doom. I think actually that's one of the things I put on the... I feel like that might... is that something I put on my Twitch thing? I can't remember if that was one of the Twitch... Open up! Oh my god, it's over. It's over, boys. I have no more hemoglobin. Wait, I didn't bleed out. Oh, sweet! You don't, like, full die. Oh, am I just bad at the game? Parry! No! Oh, wait, how did I do that? I just, like, double jump by accident. I mean, I'm not complaining. That was sick. Yoink, yoink. Oh, sweet. Yeah, we got the poo medal. This is sick. Okay. Oh, thanks for playing. Give feedback. It's gonna be like what, a Google form? Yeah. What are your PC specs? Windows. I'll do this later. Do I stream daily? I stream Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. PST to whenever. So actually, we went to our usual time, which is 2 hours. So that's gonna do it for today, guys. Anyway, you caught me at the tail end of the streams, Seraphic. But you followed to be able to see the next one in its full glory. But yeah, either way, guys, thanks for today. It was a fun stream. We got actually quite a bit done. Special thanks to John Luca for the $13.37 tip. Dude, you're crazy. I hope you're having a great time with your friends. Hope to see you in the next one. Seraphic Crimson for the follow. Hope to see you in the next stream. Welcome to the community that we already got going on here. We're fun folk. We got cookies. Special thanks to Duck for hopping in the chat. Good to see you again, dude. Looking forward to hearing more about your teaching opportunity and the story about how you almost got $1,000. That's sick. Alta for, of course, always being the super talented goat that you are, sharing your sick music track and also your really sick, I keep saying sick and awesome credit schemes. We will continue to have this air fryer argument. You don't know what you're talking about. Lewis Does Gaming. I keep saying that. Lewis Does Games for hopping in and describing your constant but always entertaining woe with Godot. I'm glad you're sticking to it, man, because that's the only way you get better, and you're already awesome. Finger Poppin' for hopping back in. It's been a while. Hope to see you again, my dude. And I think that I go through the entirety of the stream chat. And do I have a Discord? You'll talk to me on Discord. I do have a Discord, but I just met you, so you can join the Discord server if you would like to. And Seraphic for hopping in. And now, of course, last but not least, of course, we're going to the YouTube chat right now. Special thanks to VacQ for starting us off on the YouTube chat and saying the most out-of-pocket stuff I've ever seen. Thank you so much for that. Love it. And Safe for describing your day as per usual. Either way, guys, that will end today's stream. I hope you enjoy it. I will see you tomorrow at the usual time of 11 a.m. PST. And either way, take it easy, y'all, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.